How to adjust Gamma Calibration gain on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, okay, press the menu button. And menu, go to settings. In settings, go to picture. And picture, go to picture mode settings. In picture mode settings, scroll down and find the expert settings. Okay, go to this. Here in expert settings, you can see the Gamma Calibration. Okay, go to Gamma Calibration. And now you can see here the gain. And the gain is 0. To adjust the Gamma Calibration gain, okay, go to gain. And now you can adjust to the left or to the right. And for my example, I adjust the Gamma Calibration gain into 8. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjusted the Gamma Calibration gain on Devant Smart TV.